Okay. Good afternoon to one and all. So, in the previous practical of electrical workshop, we have discussed regarding different types of meter, like different types of analog meter for measurement of voltage, or it may be current, or it may be a power. Then we have discussed that is a digital multimeter. Okay, digital multimeter. Then we have discussed regarding the clamp meter to measure the current when the wire it can be live, or it may be when the live condition is there. Then we have discussed regarding different, that is power quality analyzer, then then we have also discussed regarding another meter like digital and analog as well as power factor meter. So this meter we have discussed in the previous lecture. Okay, in the experiment number 4, that is study different types of meter. Okay, now today we will discuss regarding next one practical, that is experiment number 5, study of different wiring like domestic and panel wiring, etc. Okay, study of different types of wiring, which types of wiring, like simple wiring, then do you know that the staircase wiring, these are the different types of wiring, as well as domestic wiring, or some of the panel wiring, or it may be go down type wiring. Okay, so the title of this experiment is that study of different types of wiring, okay. So in that types of wiring, we will see the aim of this practical, that is to study the different types of wiring, domestic and panel wiring, and aim of this practical is that study of different types of wiring. So apparatus required for that, it is nothing but, again, this one is the study experiment. Again, this is the study experiment. We want to study the different types of wiring, then study the different types of wiring. In that apparatus required, that is wires, pliers, tester, soldering tool. So these are the apparatus required. So wire required for doing an wiring, pliers, it is nothing but we can cut the wiring. For cutting the wiring purpose we required a plier, then a tester for checking that wiring, and soldering tool to solder that wire at a particular point ला wire soldering करण्यासाठी आपल्याला soldering पाहिजे. Okay, now theory in that the designing home wiring layouts. Okay, so in the theory, first one part is that designing a home wiring, how the home wiring it can be designed to control the lamp which are used in the home, that is the domestic type of wiring, so lamp as well as fan. So how the wiring it can be designed. So designing home wiring layouts, how to write a switch and a load, how to wire a switch and a load, that is a load in case of home wiring there may be a light of bulb to the electric supply. म्हणजे ते कसे बल्ब काय करायचे इलेक्ट्रिक सप्लायला कनेक्ट करायचे. as can be seen in the diagram, the wire is pretty simple. So as shown in this diagram, the wire it can be a pretty simple. The phase is invariably applied to one terminal of the switch and the other terminal moves to the one of the connection of the load. Okay, see, suppose here it is one diagram is given. In that diagram, here it is one of the positive terminal and a negative terminal is there. So positive and negative terminal is there. So supply positive terminal and negative terminal. So in case of this supply positive and negative terminal, one terminal it can be connected, or phase terminal it can be connected through switch. इथं switch ला connect केले बघा, this one is phase terminal, it is connected to switch. नेक्स्ट टर्मिनल ऑफ द स्विच इट इज कनेक्टेड टू वन टर्मिनल ऑफ द लोड. एका लोडच्या टर्मिनलला कनेक्ट केले and negative terminal or it may be neutral terminal, it is directly connected to that of another terminal of the load. So simple diagram or simple wiring diagram for that. Here it is switch. Okay, this one is the one of the phase terminal positive, this one is a negative terminal. Positive terminal it is connected to switch one terminal. Next terminal of the switch it can be connected to load or it may be lamp one terminal. This one is the lamp. लॅम्पच्या एका टर्मिनलला कनेक्ट केलेलं आहे. नाउ नेक्स्ट टर्मिनल ऑफ द लॅम्प इट इज डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड टू दॅट ऑफ नेगेटिव्ह टर्मिनल. सो दिस इज द सिंपल वायरिंग. So the phase is invariably applied to that of one terminal of the switch and the other terminal moves to one of the connection of the load and the other point of the load continues to finish at the neutral of the supply line. So here the circuit it can be closed. ज्यावेळेस आपण switch close करेल at that situation the circuit it can be closed and the current start flowing to that circuit and bulb will glows. Bulb will glow. Okay, now see here, to finish at the neutral of the supply line, toggling the switch will alternately switch the bulb on and off. Okay, so this switch toggling, that means the pressing the switch. Here it is toggle switch is there. While pressing the switch, bulb on sides. At that situation bulb it will be glow. If the switch is open then bulb will not glow or it is off condition. Okay, now this is a type of simple wiring. Okay, simple wiring, that means by using a one switch we have controlled the one load. एका स्विचचा यूज करून आपण काय केलं, एक लोड कंट्रोल केला. सो दॅट मीन्स इट इज अ सिंपल वायरिंग. नाउ हाउ टू कनेक्ट टू स्विच इन पॅरलल टू ऑपरेट अ सिंगल लोड. ओके, सो टू ऑपरेट अ सिंगल लोड, एकच लोड ऑपरेट करण्यासाठी हाउ द टू स्विच इट कॅन बी कनेक्टेड. दोन स्विच कसे कनेक्ट करायचे. सो सी हियर these types of wiring, where can anyone tell these types of wiring where it can be done? कुठं केले जातात हे माहित आहेत का? that means दोन स्विच न एक लोड कंट्रोल झाला पाहिजे. सो जनरली these types of wiring or this condition or this application where it can be done, कुठं आहे याचं ऍप्लिकेशन कुठं आहे, म्हणजे दोन स्विच पाहिजेत आणि एकच लोड आपल्याला कंट्रोल करायचं आहे. दोन स्विच वरून आपण एक लोड कंट्रोल करू शकतो. सो वेअर इट कॅन बी यूज, एनीवन, कुठे यूज केलं जातं हे? माहिती आहे कुणाला? ओके, लेट इट बी. नाउ सी this application of these types of wiring, I will tell. See, in the above example, if an additional switch is connected to the existing one in parallel, either of them may be used to switch on the bulb. Okay, who will give an answer? Siraskar Prashant, roll number 65 given the answer. So these types of wiring it can be used in the staircase. Okay, so in the staircase the load it is connected at the middle of the stair. म्हणजे आपली जी काही पायऱ्या असतात, पायऱ्याच्या एका फ्लोर मध्ये मिडलला जर बल्ब असेल आणि तो लोड आपल्याला ऍट अ ग्राउंड फ्लोर अँड ऍट अ फर्स्ट फ्लोर, ग्राउंड फ्लोर वरून आणि फर्स्ट फ्लोर वरून कंट्रोल करता येईल. दॅट मीन्स व्हेन यू आर ऍट अ ग्राउंड फ्लोर, while pressing a switch this bulb get on. Okay, and when you are at first floor and while pressing their switch, तिथलं switch press केलं की bulb काय will off होईल. Okay, so this is nothing but this is a staircase type of winding also, wiring also. त्यालाच staircase wiring असे म्हणतात. Okay, so staircase wiring it is nothing but it is a staircase type of wiring. In that the one load it can be controlled by using a two switch, or single load it can be controlled by using a two switch. So see, and if desired, one switch may be located far away for remote operation of the light. But here, to deactivate the load bulb, both the switches need to switch off. Okay, so see, staircase type of wiring मध्ये, when you are at a ground floor and you want to switch on the bulb, आपल्याला काय करायचंय, bulb switch on करायचंय. So at that situation, while pressing the switch at the ground floor, if the bulb will get on, and when you are at a first floor, you want to switch off the bulb काय करायचंय, परत switch off करायचंय, so that no need to come at a ground floor, at a first floor where the switch it can be provided. So by pressing this switch, we can off the bulb also. So this is these types of wiring is nothing but controlling one single load by using a two switch, and this is carried out in the staircase types of wiring. Okay, see here, positive terminal, negative terminal. Okay, so this connection here, the simply to deactivate the bulb deactivate करण्यासाठी simply both are it off position पाहिजेत. So both the switches are it off position. In that, see, here positive terminal, it is connected to one terminal of the switch. From that, another terminal of the switch, it can be connected to the positive terminal. So direct connection. Then the negative terminal, sorry, next terminal of the switch, दोन्हीचे जे काय next terminal आहेत, it is connected to lamp load, and the lamp load next terminal, it is connected to negative. ते negative ला connect केले, so that parallelly हे दोन switch काय केले, put केले. Okay, okay, so this is the parallel switches. We put the parallel switches. याच्यामध्ये काय केले, parallel switch put केले. So this is the parallel switches. In that, while deactivate the load, that means while we want to off the load, both the switches are at off position. All the switches जे काय असतील ते off position ला पाहिजे. Okay, now next one is nothing but how to connect two switch in series to operate a single load. सिंगल लोड ऑपरेट करण्यासाठी दोन स्विच आपल्याला सिरीज मध्ये कनेक्ट करायचं. प्रिव्हियस वन इज नथिंग बट पॅरलली कनेक्ट केले. नाउ वी वांट टू कनेक्ट इट इन सीरीज. सी, if two switches are connected in series to the above network, both of them will need to switched on to energize the load. Okay, दोन्ही जे काय स्विच असतील ते स्विच आपल्याला दोन्ही पण क्लोज करावे लागतील while activating the load, or it may be while activating the bulb. Okay, but the toggling of any one of the switch will be enough to extinguish the light. Okay, but याच्यामधलं एखादं स्विच जरी आपण ओपन केलं, then light will not glow. Okay, or bulb will not glow. So this is series मध्ये connect केले. That means if the two switches are in series, while activating the bulb or while activating the load, we required both switch, it may be at a closed position. जे काय both switch असतील दोन्ही switch close पाहिजे. But while deactivating the bulb, any one of the switch it can be open, then bulb it will get deactivated or bulb will not glow. Okay, or it has off position. Okay, this one is off at this position. So this is toggle switch. So this one is the toggle switch, just on and off position. हे switch जे आहे ते toggle switch आहे, म्हणजे off position ला while pressing this हे close केलं तर on होईल, हे पण त्यावेळेस close पाहिजे, then and then only bulb will get glow. Any one of the switch is open, याच्यामधलं एखादं switch जरी open असेल, then bulb will not glow, that is it is at off position. Okay, so this is also, that means here no need to connect the two switches in series. Okay, दोन्ही switch series मध्ये connect करायची गरज नाही, because by opening any one of the switch, कुठले एखादा switch open असेल तर your load it may get off, it may be at off position. So but here the series connection we have shown, दोन्ही connection series मध्ये बघा. series मध्ये positive terminal of the supply, it can be connected to one terminal of the switch. next terminal of the switch it is connected to another terminal of the switch, then next terminal of the switch it is connected to load. Okay, and load next terminal, that is negative terminal, it is connected to negative terminal of the supply. Supply च्या negative terminal ला connect केले. Okay, now how to wire a socket with a switch to an electric supply. Okay, आता socket, that means here we are using a 3-pin plug, that is socket. Okay, socket, or we can call it as a 3-pin plug. So in that how it can be connected, ते कसं connect केलं जातं. See here, you people already know, that is 3-pin plug having an one plug, here it is another one plug, and next one plug, and the switch is provided for that. याच्यासाठी एक switch provide केलेला असेल. Okay, so suppose this one is the positive and negative terminal, एक positive terminal आहे, negative terminal. The current it is supplied to that of switch via supplied to that of socket via a switch through आपण current देणार. So suppose here it is one terminal of the switch, this one is the another terminal of the switch. Positive terminal it is connected here, next terminal of the switch it is connected to one terminal of the socket or 3-pin plug. 3-pin plug किंवा सॉकेटच्या एका टर्मिनलला काय केलं, पॉझिटिव्ह टर्मिनल कनेक्ट केलं. नाउ next terminal of the supply, that is negative terminal, it is connected to the another terminal of the socket directly it is connected to another terminal of the socket, and this terminal, हे जे काय terminal असेल, it is connected to that of earth. We can call it as a neutral, or it may be earth. Okay, neutral. So why 3-pin plug it is needed? Because and this is provided to equipment, that is high rating equipment, like our iron, it is there are 3-pin plug it is provided, because if the some of the leakage current is there, that means sometimes there are body leakage current is there. So this leakage current it is directly grounded via this switch neutral, or via this terminal neutral terminal through the direct काय केलं जातं, ground केलं जातं. See here it is connection diagram, it can be shown. These are the 3-pin plug or the socket. In that this one is terminal, it is directly connected to the ground, here grounded केलेलं आहे. One terminal of the supply it is connected to one terminal of the socket via a switch चा यूज करून कनेक्ट केलेलं आहे. अनदर टर्मिनल इट इज डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड टू नेक्स्ट टर्मिनल ऑफ द सॉकेट, सॉकेटच्या नेक्स्ट टर्मिनलला कनेक्ट केले. ओके ओके, नाउ दिस इज द सी the below diagram shows a simple method of connecting a socket with a switch. Here the phase as usual and mandatorily is connected to one terminal of the switch. phase जे काय आहे, phase टर्मिनल किंवा पॉझिटिव्ह टर्मिनल it is connected to that of one terminal of the switch, and its other terminal it is wired to the right hand side terminal of the socket. सॉकेटचं जे काय नेक्स्ट टर्मिनल असेल त्याला अदर टर्मिनल ऑफ द स्विच काय केलं जातं, कनेक्ट केलं. and the left hand side terminal of the socket goes to the neutral line of the supply. Okay, so this terminal it will goes to the neutral line of the supply voltage. So this is the simple connection, that is how to use the socket, or how to connect the socket to that of supply via a switch. Okay, so this is the simple connection for that. Okay, now so this is the simple type of wiring. This one is the home wiring, or we can call it as a domestic type of wiring. Similarly, the simple wiring, I have tell that for controlling one single load, for that single switch it can be connected. Okay, now hello, yes. Okay, see, this one is the simple type of wiring, domestic home wiring by controlling a one load, or it may be by controlling the one bulb, by controlling one load, or it may be one bulb. We control this by using a single switch. If it is used as a staircase type, then this single load it can be controlled by using a two switch. दोन switch चा use करून ते control केलं जाईल. Okay, now if go down wiring is there, okay, so go down wiring, in case of go down wiring, so suppose go down is there, like there are, this one is the one go down, and it may contain, suppose there are 3 rooms in that go down. Okay, so in that point there are go down wiring, it can be done. So go down wiring, it is one type of wiring. So in case of go down wiring, suppose you are at first room, and when we press any one of the switch, एखादा switch तुम्ही काय केलं, press केलं, so this switch, while pressing this switch, it will close the circuit, and bulb will get glow in first room. पहिल्या room मधला bulb काय होईल, glow होईल. Okay, now first bulb in the first room, it will glow. Now similarly, if we enter into the second go down, that means second room of the go down, at that situation if we press here switch, इथं जर तुम्ही त्यावेळेस switch press केलं, so while pressing this switch, the load in the first one room, it will get off, that is load in the first one, it will get off, and the load in the second one, it will get on. Okay, याच्यामधला जो काही लोड असेल, so this load it will get on, तो लोड काय झाला पाहिजे, ऑन झाला पाहिजे. Okay, so that means it will provide energy conservation also, that means energy जे काही consume होते, so energy saving will, that means it will helps to energy conservation. Okay, so in that, if we add the place of second room in the go down, at that situation, first load or the first lamp in the first room, it will get off position. At that same instant, the second load or the second room lamp, it will glow. तो काय झाला पाहिजे, ग्लो झाला पाहिजे. Okay, now when if we enter at the go down in the third room मध्ये ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही एंटर व्हाल, at that situation while pressing their switch, इथं जे काय switch असेल, okay, here this switch, while you are pressing this switch, at that situation, so this load in the second room, it get off position, load जो काय आहे, so second room मधला तो off होईल. Okay, it is at off position, and the load in the third, it will get on position. याच्यामधला लोड काय होईल, on होईल. Okay, so for that, the toggle switch, it can be used, or it may be we can call it as a two-way switch, it can be used. इथं two-way switch काय केले जातात, यूज केले जातात. Okay, so two-way switch, that means the switch, it is having an 3 terminal. हे एक टर्मिनल असेल, हे एक टर्मिनल, आणि हे एक टर्मिनल. Okay, now see, this one is the two-way switch असेल. मेन सप्लायचं टर्मिनल इथं येईल. Okay, suppose you are at room number first, you are at room number suppose you are at room number second, and we want to, here the room number second load, it can be connected, and here it is room number first load, it can be connected. याच्यामध्ये पहिल्या रूमचा लोड कनेक्ट केलेला असेल, and here it is दुसऱ्या रूमचा लोड कनेक्ट केला. Now similarly, while pressing a switch, that means हे स्विच ज्यावेळेस आपण प्रेस करतोय, suppose the switch is at this position, या पोझिशनला असेल, at that situation this bulb, it will glow. हा बल्ब काय होईल, ग्लो होईल. Okay, now when you are at second room, just 1 minute. Lecture. Yes, all. See, if you are at room number 2, at that situation, while pressing the switch, at that situation it will close here, and the second load it can be on condition, and the first load it can be at off condition. Okay, similarly 3 switch connect केले असतील. Suppose there are 3 switch, this switch number 1, switch number 2, and switch number 3, and again there are load is also 3. That means room number 1 there are one of the lamp, एक lamp असेल. Room number 2 there are another one lamp, and room number 3 there are another one lamp. Okay, so similarly while pressing this, it will close this first one connection. पहिले connection काय करेल, close करेल. So when it will closes this connection, so at that situation this bulb it will close. हा bulb काय होईल, glow होईल. Now when similarly the connection it can be made similar here also as well as here also. Okay, now when you are at second room, you are at second one room, at that situation while pressing this switch, हे switch press केलं की इकडलं सप्लायचा जो काय कॉन्टॅक्ट असेल, दिस कॉन्टॅक्ट, दॅट मीन्स सर्किट क्लोज जे होणार आहे, सो दिस सर्किट इट विल गेट अनक्लोज, क्लोज होणार नाही, ओपन होईल, अँड हिअर दिस सर्किट इट कॅन बी गेट ओपन. सो देन सेकंड बल्ब इट विल ग्लो. जो काय सेकंड बल्ब असेल तो ग्लो होईल. ओके, नाउ सिमिलरली फॉर third one. So this is this one type of wiring, it is called as go down wiring. हे जे काय wiring असेल, so this types of wiring it is nothing but an go down wiring. Okay, so these are the different types of wiring. Simple study of different types of wiring. So simple wiring like controlling a one lamp or it may be one load by using a one switch, controlling controlling one load by applying a two switch. It is nothing but it is also called as staircase type of wiring. If you are connecting a two switch, it is in parallel. ज्यावेळेस दोन स्विच आपण पॅरलल मध्ये कनेक्ट करतोय, then how it can be operate. If the switches are connected in series or the two switches are connected in series, while glowing or it may be while doing the load is at on condition, load is at on condition, at that situation we want to close all these switch, जे काय all switch असतील ते आपल्याला क्लोज करावे लागतील. So if all the switch it cannot be closed, then your load it will not on, it is always at off condition. So off condition ला असेल. Okay, so this is the series connection. And these are the simple type of wiring. हे simple type of wiring असेल. Domestic that means domestic type of wiring generally we are using in our home, that is home appliances, by controlling a single load, like by controlling a bulb as well as by controlling a fan. Okay, fan control करायचे, as well as we want to control the one bulb control करायचे, then by controlling lamp as well as by controlling the load or by controlling the socket or 3-pin plug. आपल्याला 3-pin plug काय करायचे, कंट्रोल करायचे. So for that this is the simple types of wiring it can be done. हे simple type of wiring केलं जातं. Okay, now now this is the simple wiring, and we have studied regarding the staircase type of wiring also. Okay, so staircase type of wiring, in case of staircase type of wiring, staircase types of wiring, So we are controlling a single load which are used in the stairs. So this single load, it can be controlled by using a twist switch. दोन स्विचचा यूज करून आपण काय करतोय, दोन स्विचचा यूज करून एक लोड कंट्रोल करतोय. अँड दिस टाइप्स ऑफ वायरिंग इट कॅन बी युज्ड जनरली इन द स्टेअरकेस and in the go down type of wiring. So there are multiple load in the proportion of multiple switch. जेवढे लोड असतील तेवढे स्विच यूज करतोय आपण, बट इट इज ॲट अ डिफरंट पोझिशन. त्याचं जे काय लोकेशन असेल different location. So from that our energy conservation as well as energy saving, that means consumption of energy, or it will improve the energy conservation, and we are saving the energy पण काय केली जाते, सेव्ह केली जाते. So this is nothing but this is the study of different types of wiring. This is nothing but this is the study of different types of wiring. वायरिंगचे टाइप आहेत. समजलंय का?
यस सर.
Okay, so these types of wiring we have also understood while understanding the switch concept. Switch ज्यावेळेस आपण स्टडी केलेत, आय थिंक different types of switches, study of different types of switches, it is our first one experiment. In that we have studied regarding different types of switches: one way switch, two way switch, that is SPST switch, single pole single throw switch, DPST switch, that is double pole single throw switch, DPDT switch, double pole double throw switch, SPDT switch, that means single pole double throw switch. Okay, so similarly this switch we have already discussed. So this switch we have also discussed their wiring diagram, that means how to connect the switch to control the one load, to control the two load, or it may be to control the three load. तीन लोड कंट्रोल करण्यासाठी if we are using a SPST, pole refers to that of number of controlling circuit. Pole जे काय आहे, so this pole it will refers to number of controlling circuit. How many number of controlling circuit it can be used, so it will referred by a pole. So it is nothing but we have discussed regarding DPDT as well as SPST, SPDT and DPST. So this part we have already discussed. Also we have connected this switch for controlling the load like lamp load, or it may be LED light emitting diode आपण दाखवला होता. Suppose we are controlling another one fan load also. So these types of switching can be done. Okay, suppose in our one room, like suppose we have considered domestic lighting, and in our domestic lighting like a hall in our home, we want to control. Suppose in our hall if we have considered a two load of bulb, दो bulb चे दोन load आहेत, then one of the fan load is there. One of the fan load is there. Suppose this one is one of the room, that is hall is there, and here it is two load, lamp load, दोन lamp असतील. Then one of the fan load is there, एखादा fan चा load असेल. Again we are controlling the socket, that is 3-pin plug. Suppose दोन 3-pin plug असतील. Okay, so for controlling this, if we have done the simple wiring, that means we are generally for our domestic application we are using a simple wiring use करतो. By using one switch we are control the one load. I think you people already know. In our domestic wiring, or it may be in our home appliances, home type of wiring, we are controlling one load by using a one switch. एका switch चा use करून आपण एक load control करतो. Okay, so in our hall, suppose there are two bulbs, one fan is there, and two socket is there. So for that we are using a 5 switch. त्याला 5 switch use करतो. That means number of load is equals to number of switches. In case of simple wiring, सिंपल वायरिंग मध्ये जेवढे लोड असतील, नंबर ऑफ लोड, इट इज इक्वल्स टू दॅट ऑफ नंबर ऑफ स्विचेस. जेवढे नंबर ऑफ स्विचेस, जेवढे नंबर ऑफ लोड असतील तेवढे स्विचेस आपण जनरली काय करतो, यूज करतो. सो बाय कंट्रोलिंग वन लोड we are using a one switch. For controlling one load we are using a one switch. For controlling another one load we are using another one load, another one switch. Similarly, for controlling two bulb we are using two switch. For controlling one fan we are using another one switch. For controlling two sockets we are using another one two switches. Okay, generally this we will do in our home appliances, or it may be in our domestic wiring. Okay, but in case of staircase wiring मध्ये आपण काय करतोय, वन लोड इट कॅन बी कंट्रोल्ड बाय युजिंग अ टू स्विच. दोन स्विचचा यूज करून वन लोड काय केला जातो, कंट्रोल केला जातोय. सो इन केस ऑफ वन सिंगल लोड इट इज ॲट connected, or it is in the place of stairs, and the switch it is at the first floor, and or it may be ground floor and first floor. Okay, so by using these two switch you are on and off the load, like while you are you are at the ground floor, and by pressing the switch your load on the stairs it get on, and you want to off that load. If you are at first stairs, then by pressing their switch at first floor you are just off that load, that is bulb on the stairs. So this is the staircase wiring. And in case of go down wiring, multiple switch, that is in case of go down wiring also multiple switch, multiple load. That means here also number of load is equals to number of switches. Number of load it is equals to number of switches. Okay, so in case of go down wiring, but the difference is that wiring it can be done like that by using a two switch. We are controlling a different load, like a first one load also, second one load also. म्हणजे पहिला लोड पण आपण कंट्रोल करणार आहे, सेकंड लोड पण कंट्रोल करणार आहे. दॅट मीन्स पहिल्यांदा पहिलं स्विच जर आपण ऑन केलं, पहिला लोड ऑन होईल. when you are at second place, at that situation your first load get off position and your second load you should be on. second load काय झाला पाहिजे, ऑन झाला पाहिजे. सो कनेक्शन इट शुड बी मेड लाइक दैट. ओके, so this is the study of different types of wiring, like domestic wiring as well as panel type of wiring. Okay, getting लक्षात आलंय का? हॅलो, लक्षात आलंय का? प्लीज गिव्ह मी रिप्लाय. हॅलो, एनीवन?
Yes, sir.
ओके, okay. So this is the different types of study of different types of wiring is there, like simple wiring, like domestic wiring, controlling one single load by using a two switch, when the switches are connected in parallel and when the switches are connected in series. So this part we have discussed in this today's practical, that is study of different types of wiring and different types of panel wiring. Okay, So in this way, we will discuss, just 1 minute.